Mohammed. He was a chief of staff. I met him first when he was director of NSO as a very young man. Later on, he became chief of staff to President Obasanjo. And General Mohammed was a bridge then between the governors and the President Obasanjo, because most times we disagree with the president and want to work out. And General Mohammed will come and plead with us, the governors then in 1999. And he was a peacemaker. He kept that government alive. Most of the success of General Obasanjo should be attributed to him because he was the one behind the wheel of the car. He was a good man. He was a man that Nigeria needed at this difficult period of our time. He was a man that exactly will tell you the truth, whether you want to kill him. I met him in many occasions. I met him through President Ibrahim Babangida, and I also met him through when we were governors. And he was a man who when I was quarreling with Obasanjo, he was a bridge between me, personally, and Obasanjo and Abia State. So may his soul rest in peace. I don't want to talk too much, Mr. President. I want to align myself with what Governor Alero said, because I was, in many occasions, with Governor Alero, and then Governor Tinubu, and now President Tinubu. We trusted him because he was our bridge between us and the then president. I want to thank you for giving me this opportunity. May his soul rest in peace.
Amen. Thank you. Let's go to the prayers. One, commiserate with the family of the late General Abdullahi Mohammed Adangba, the government and people of Kwara State, the Nigerian armed forces, and the entire nation over this irreparable loss. Those in favor of the prayer say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Observe a minute of silence in honor of his memory. Those in favor say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Urge the federal government to immortalize him by naming a national monument or institution after him in recognition of his exemplary service to the nation. Those in favor of this prayer say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Mandate the Senate Committee on Defense and National Security to convey the condolences of the Senate through a visit to the bereaved family. Those in favor of this prayer say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Can we now rise to observe a minute's prayer in honor of the late General Abdullahi Mohammed? The soul of General Abdullahi Mohammed Adangba, retired, former Chief of Staff to the President Olusegun Obasanjo, and Umar Musa Yar'Adua, rest in perfect peace.